friends, I hope you're all well. I'm sure you're very surprised to see me back here, but I just wanted to upload this video just to say hello and let you guys know that obviously with the new year coming up, I have decided to bring my channel back up again. I did enjoy making YouTube videos quite a lot, and for this coming year I want to continue that. It's been a couple of long years since I uploaded a video. I'd probably say maybe about 3 or 4 years ago. However, I don't want that to happen again. So starting from today, this video now, I am going to do my best to make sure that I upload more videos. They'll most likely, just like before, be kind of hair related stuff, because I do get a couple of people asking me sometimes in terms of what products I use, what I'm doing, how I do certain styles. So it'd be nice to kind of upload those and help somebody else if they want to know how to do it, because I would have probably done the same thing by doing that hairstyle. I've probably learned it from somebody else. So I would like to continue to share how I do stuff with my own hair, and if it helps somebody else, then I'm happy at the end of the day. So it'll be most likely hair stuff, but I'm not going to limit it straight to that, because it'll probably end up branching into other different areas, whether it's beauty, well-being, just all about you and me, what makes us happy. Let's put it that way. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so I'm not going to say I'm going to be uploading videos on specific days, because I don't want to make any promises that I might not be able to keep. So all I'm going to say is I'm going to try and upload frequently, as often, more often than before, shall we say. So this is kind of my I am back kind of video. I look forward to making more videos, and just to give you a heads up, I've got my hair out today. So this is it. Now, in the last 4 years, my hair has been through hell and back. Quite simply because in a job that I had, it was early mornings and later evenings, and I didn't really have much time to look after my hair. I wasn't making good hair choices. I wasn't looking after it properly. I wasn't moisturizing it properly or as often as I should. And I was also blow drying it quite frequently, unnecessarily. Not too sure why, but well, actually it was more really because it was more manageable. So I was blow drying my hair way too often. So tomorrow, December 30th, I am going to a hairstylist. I found a hairstylist in Brixton in London, so I'm going to go there tomorrow, and I'm going to cut my hair. Now, I'm not too sure what length I'm going to cut it at. We'll see about that. Whilst I'm there, I will try and maybe get a few clips of the process of it being done. I'm not too sure, obviously I'll have to ask them permission first. But yeah, once I do that, then I'll upload those and I'll share with you exactly how everything goes. And in the comments, please let me know any videos that you'd like to see, because that will help me as well to know exactly what it is that you guys want to hear from me. So if you're wanting to know exactly how I'm going to be managing my hair afterwards, or maybe the don'ts when it comes to hair, what I did wrong to get to this point, that would be a good video. I wish I had seen a video like that. Actually, I just might make one of exactly what not to do to your hair. But yeah, so just to say, I am back. I look forward to interacting with you guys, and I hope you'll interact with me back as well. I've missed you, and I'm happy to be back. Yay. No, actually I'm really happy to be back. But yeah, so this should be a fun new journey to start in 2019. I hope you'll take the journey with me, and here's to the new year. I shall see you guys soon in the next video, looking differently probably with shorter hair. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.